Enrico ordered a coffee. When you order a coffee, it usually comes with like a biscuit or something.
Then you wash them out.
And then after drinking your shot, you have a shot of water to clean your teeth. So. Yeah, and that's how it's done.
Not only to clean the teeth, just to refreshing after the coffee.
Yeah, to change, to clean your palate, basically. I'm recording with my phone, so it's not great quality. I just ordered a cappuccino in this bar in Legnano. It's a bar. Ta-da! Hello! This is the sound of Pineta pretty much. Everywhere you go around here, you can hear the cicadas. There's this little park, little forest behind me. Pine trees and stuff. Yeah, so Pineta has a lot of pine trees and a lot of cicadas. Everywhere. They sound... Okay, so those of you who have been to Japan, do you think that Italian cicadas sound different than the Japanese cicadas? I feel like they make their sound faster. Like the beat is faster here than in the Japanese ones. When I think of cicadas, I generally think about Japan, but these cicadas definitely sound different. Anyway, I just wanted to go for a walk before eating lunch, and then I'm just gonna relax some more in my apartment thing. Yeah, so we're gonna be here for a few more days, and then I'm going back to Udine, but then I'm coming back for the weekend because Enrico has to stay here. He's working with FIBA Europe right now. The company he works for is organizing this event, this basketball tournament here. So I'm basically keeping him company. Freya's at home, and Enrico's father goes in and out and takes care of Freya. They're pretty loud, aren't they? I'm actually relaxing, and I feel like I'm recovering from the previous weeks. Oh my god. Oh, look at this, look at this. These are the exoskeletons of some insect. These aren't cicadas, are they? I haven't seen Italian cicadas up close. They look like, I don't know what those are, but that's so creepy. I've never seen that before, ever in my life. Oh my gosh, they're on all the trees. Well, they're on this other tree back there too. So scary. Enrico got some meat and potatoes, and I'm getting the cuttlefish. I got the cuttlefish. It's quite good. I like squid. Definitely the stronger team. They have, some of them are NBA potentials, or they're being watched by the NBA. And yeah, I'm really impressed with France actually. The Israeli team came with two policemen that has to be here all the time with them.
Second place, Israel.
Guys, if you look at the score, France is 55, Israel is 33. I'm just telling you, I have no bias, but France is really good.
Dopo l'abbraccio ancora un incrocio, quindi sono 5 gli aeroplani alla nostra destra, 4 quelli a sinistra.
turned off his engine and he's gonna
Inizia
fall.
così la scampanata del nuovo
man,
solista delle
that is
frecce
really
tricolori, già esperto gregario della
he's
formazione, ve lo presentiamo, è il capitano Filippo Barbero.
But now
Proviamo tutta la spiazza di Milano Sabbia d'Oro per il salista delle
there are a lot of yachts out on the water and they're watching the air show from there. Peccati di Gola. We're going here to Pizzeria. We're here with friends. And we're drinking the Prosecco. Yes, I ordered the fish. Enrico got cuttlefish. And he's getting orata. This is meringata. Tartufo bianco. Basically, it's ice cream. And I got the tiramisu. Let's try it. It's like that.